What's your name?
My name is Alice.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Where are you from?
I come from Canada.
When is your birthday?
My birthday is on August 22nd.
How old are you?
I am 20 years old.
What's your job?
I'm a teacher.
What's your email address?
It's alice247@gmail.com.
What company do you work for?
I work for travel agency.
What is your phone number?
My phone number is 123-456-789.
How many children do you have?
I do not have any children.
Are you married?
Yes. I'm married.
Who do you live with?
I live with my dad.
What is your marital status?
I'm single.
Do you have any siblings?
I have 3 brothers and 4 sisters.
What time do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:30 a.m.
What time do you get up?
I get up at 4:30 a.m.
When do you do morning exercises?
I often do exercises at 6:30 a.m.
What's your hobby?
I like swimming.
What time do you go to bed?
I go to bed at 12 p.m.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta.
What kinds of films do you like?
I like horror films.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is purple.
Did you like the movie?
It was one of the best movie I've ever seen.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 7 a.m.
Where do you study?
I am a student at Cambridge University.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the van.
What is your major?
My major is chemistry.
What do you want to do after you graduate?
I want to be a scientist.
Why are you studying English?
Because I love to improve my English skills.
How many languages do you speak?
I can speak 4 languages.
How did you learn English?
I took English classes for 2 years.
How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning English for 2 years.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is science.
Which grade are you in?
I'm in 10th grade.
What's the weather like?
It is very hot.
Where are you going?
I'm going to the shopping mall.
What time is it?
It is 5:30.
What are you going to do today?
I need to buy something.
Where would you like to go?
I would like to go to the bus station.
What are you doing?
I am walking on the road.
What's the matter?
Nothing.
What's on your mind?
I was thinking of you.
Is there anything I can do to help?
No, everything is fine.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
I'm going to take online classes.
Can you give me a hand?
What for?
What did you do last night?
I watched a movie.
What sports can you play?
I can play football.
Could you please give me that book?
Yeah, take this.
May I help you?
Yes. I'm looking for a t-shirt. Can I try it on?
Sure, the changing rooms are in the left corner. Would you mind opening the window?
I am sorry, I can't.
What size do you wear?
Small should be fine. Have you got something bigger?
No, we've got smaller sizes. Is that a good fit?
It's just right.
Do you need anything else?
I don't think so. Can I pay by credit card?
Yes, we accept credit cards.